something's a banging, but it doesn't. I don't know if it's inside the engine or if it's something out here. You know, sometimes you can get a noise from a torsioning thing, or sometimes you get a noise from an air conditioner. Let's ease the hood down. Maybe close the door, see if it'll move under its own power. That's the best it's run since I quit running. And that windshield wiper thing, I don't know what's going on with that. That thing's just been weird. Noise in the motor, I think. That little noise I hear there is the belt squeaking. And she moved a little bit under her own power. And if that's an oil pressure gauge and it's working, I don't know if it's working or not. I don't see it moving. I'm guessing that may not be working. I don't know if that's working either. I'm gonna put the dash back together, sort of. Let's set that over here. We can kind of watch. Oh yeah, we gotta put this thing back in. That's the flipper for the gas tank. Magnet to stick the camera to in here. Okay, it cranks on its own. I'm gonna put the dash part back on here with the gas tank selector. I have to take it loose to get that piece of plastic back on here. Come on out of there. If I call Cutworm, he'll come out here and straighten you out. He's a Ford man. He knows his way around. Bless my humble heart. Going off of there now. You can do it. Cutworm, why they have to make them so dang hard? Jeez. Good grief. Mercy sakes. What's that noise Cutworm makes? He makes a noise sometimes when he's trying to do something. The way that goes. I didn't really have to take that off there anyway, did I? Oh well. Easy enough. Get my handles back on here. Oh. There's the other. Alrighty then. Let's see if she'll crank on her own. So I disconnected the wire. I had run a hot wire from the battery to the fuel pump relay. But now it's not cranking because I took it off. Well, I'm guessing that's why it's not cranking now. So what I'm going to do, put that wire back on it. I took it off and it kept running, but apparently it won't crank with it off. Let's see if it'll start now. better than a non-movable unit, which I had when I started this. So it might be a good place to stop for the day, because I got a couple of other projects I want to get done that are important. Where should I put this baby?